Feeling overwhelmed by stress and seeking inner peace? You're not alone. Discover the most searched meditation questions and find your path to tranquility. The top question on everyone's mind: what is meditation? With over 107,700 searches, people are eager to understand this ancient practice. Meditation means relaxing and reposing in your true nature. It's about finding that inner calm amidst the chaos. Wondering if you're meditating correctly? You're not alone. With 35,000 searches, many seek reassurance. Remember, it's about being conscious of your breath and gently refocusing. Starting your meditation journey can be daunting. With 33,720 searches, many look for guidance. Apps, teachers, and self-guided sessions can help you begin. Curious about the effects of meditation? With 33,090 searches, people are discovering its benefits: reduced anxiety, improved mood, and enhanced focus. Where to learn meditation? With 14,940 searches, many explore options. While apps offer flexibility, nothing beats the depth of knowledge from a trained teacher. Can you meditate at home? Absolutely. With 11,230 searches, people are finding peace in their own spaces. Choose a quiet spot and start your practice. Why meditate? With 8,470 searches, people seek reasons. Beyond stress reduction, it improves communication, clarity, and creativity. Ready to start? Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Commit to 20 minutes daily for long-term benefits. Find your peace, one breath at a time.